Welcome to today's video. Have you ever finished crying, whether from heartbreak, stress, or even watching a sad movie, and suddenly felt completely drained? Your body feels heavy, your eyes sting, and all you want to do is lie down. Why do we feel tired after crying? Imagine sitting alone after a breakup. The silence closing in as memories replay in your mind. Tears start to form, and for a while, you let them flow, feeling the weight of frustration or sadness wash over you. This video explains why we feel tired after crying and how tears can have such a powerful effect on our minds and bodies. We will uncover the fascinating science behind tears, what crying does inside your brain, and why it can leave you emotionally and physically exhausted, yet strangely calm. Imagine this. You've had a long day. Something finally pushes you past your limit, and the tears start flowing. It's as if a dam inside you finally breaks. You cry for a few minutes, maybe longer, and afterward, you don't feel relief. Not right away. You feel tired, weak, heavy. That's not your imagination. It's biology. When you cry, your body isn't just releasing tears. It's entering a full-body stress response. Imagine it like revving an engine in neutral. Your emotional system is fired up, but it's not going anywhere, creating intense internal pressure. This powerful surge courses through your body, making the process all the more consuming. Your amygdala, the emotional control center of the brain, signals that you're overwhelmed emotionally or physically. In response, your autonomic nervous system activates, sending stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol flooding through your system. This is your body's fight or flight mode. Your heart beats faster, your breathing becomes shallow, and your muscles tense up. But when the emotional wave passes and you finally stop crying, your body reacts oppositely. It crashes into recovery mode. Let's break it down, step by step. There are three main types of tears. Basal tears, the ones that keep your eyes moist every day. Reflex tears produced when something irritates your eyes, like onions or smoke. Emotional tears triggered by feelings like sadness, frustration, joy, or relief. And here's where things get fascinating. Emotional tears are chemically different. Imagine scientists in a lab, keenly observing as they capture tears in tiny vials. Through this process, they have discovered that emotional tears uniquely contain stress hormones like ACTH and leucine enkephalin, a natural painkiller. In laboratory settings, researchers have collected emotional tears and analyzed their chemical composition to uncover these findings. That means crying doesn't just express emotion. It actually helps your body flush out stress and release tension. But that release comes at a cost: energy. Just like your body feels tired after a long workout, your mind feels tired after an emotional release. During a good cry, you breathe irregularly. Your heart rate spikes and your body temperature changes. These shifts use up oxygen and glucose, which are your brain's primary fuel sources. It's similar to how your brain works hard and consumes energy during a challenging exam or an intense thinking session. Just like a workout for the mind, this emotional exertion can leave you feeling both physically and mentally drained afterward. So, after crying, your parasympathetic nervous system takes over. This system is responsible for rest and recovery. It slows your heart rate, calms your breathing, and signals your body that it's safe to rest. That's why, after crying, you may feel a deep sense of sleepiness or calm. It's your body trying to reset after emotional overload. To help manage this post-crying fatigue, try sipping a glass of water to stay hydrated or taking a brief nap to allow your body some additional recovery time. Engaging in gentle movement, like a walk or light stretching, can also help rejuvenate your energy levels. Deep breathing exercises can further support your body's recovery by promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Additionally, talking to a friend can provide emotional support and enhance your mood. These small actions can aid your body's natural healing process. But crying isn't just physical, it's deeply psychological. When you cry, your brain releases endorphins and oxytocin, the same comfort chemicals that help reduce pain and increase feelings of bonding and relief. That's why crying on someone's shoulder often feels better than crying alone. Human connection actually enhances emotional recovery. Think of it this way: crying is your body's emotional detox. It's like rebooting your nervous system. You've unloaded intense emotional energy, flushed out stress hormones, and now your body needs to recharge. That's why you feel so tired, because your system has been through an emotional storm. Even your facial muscles contribute to the fatigue. When you cry, dozens of muscles contract your eyebrows, eyelids, jaw, and even neck muscles. Your sinuses swell, your breathing changes, and tears drain through your nasal passages, which can make you feel congested and lightheaded. That's the physical side of sadness. Your whole body participates in the act of crying. Interestingly, not all tears make you tired in the same way. While tears of joy or emotional relief can leave you feeling calm and even energized due to higher levels of oxytocin and lower levels of cortisol. Crying from heartbreak, grief, or frustration results in the release of more stress hormones, which is why such experiences may leave you feeling drained afterward. Of course, not everyone experiences these effects in the same way, as personal factors influence how crying affects us. Some might find tears more rejuvenating, while others might feel more exhausted, highlighting each person's unique emotional makeup. So next time you cry, remember, you're not just being emotional, you're participating in one of the most ancient, natural stress relief systems your body has. Here's a beautiful way to think about it. Crying is your body's way of saying, "I've carried too much, it's time to let go." And when you finally do, your body thanks you by allowing itself to rest. So, if you ever feel tired after crying, don't fight it. That exhaustion is a signal. Your mind and body are working together to heal. Curiosity makes us understand ourselves a little better, one tear at a time. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more fascinating science facts, hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see the full playlist, the link is in the description.